New original equipment part. Restores original drivability characteristics. Meets the OE performance and durability standards for this application. Precision manufactured and assembled sensing elements for accurate airflow measurements. Built-in contaminant bypass port provides reliable operation and increases longevity. Hitachi's airflow sensors, MAFs, measure the amount and characteristics of air entering the engine. Hitachi uses precision elements and high-quality components for enhanced durability and accurate airflow measurements. Hitachi MAFs are 100% airflow tested for ideal performance and are calibrated for each application, ensuring your vehicle meets the strict emission standards set by the manufacturer. Details such as a contaminant bypass port, when applicable, and protected circuitry providing a durable and reliable product approved by OE manufacturers makes Hitachi's airflow sensors the premium choice. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent replacement, fit perfectly. After my OBD2 sensor indicated my engine was running lean, I replaced the mass airflow sensor. So far the check engine light hasn't turned back on.